it's Tara Kate coming at you with another video. Well, today's video is kind of like laid back actually. Okay, it's not a serious video, but it's exciting. It's an exciting video. It's gonna be an unboxing video, and I'm gonna be unboxing my MacBook. Okay, so let's get to the video. Let's get started. Okay, so okay, I bought this Gorilla thingy, you know, to make it easier when shooting the videos, especially if I want to like shoot with my hand or I want to shoot outside, because I cannot take like a tripod, the big tripod with me. So a mini one would be really good. So this is what I got, right? And yeah, my MacBook, well, it came with the Wi-Fi router. Yeah. And then let's, oh gosh, I've got scissors. Let's get started. Let's get unwrapping. So this is my MacBook. It's in here. So yeah. I'm gonna go get a scissor real quick. Okay, I got a scissor. I don't have a art knife or those knives that you just like flick and it's like, ooh. No, I don't have those. So I don't know. I'm just gonna try open it. Well, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. So you don't need fancy knives to open this. You can do it with a regular schmegular scissor. Okay. Ouch. Alright. Okay. Oh gosh. I am so freaking excited. It's not even funny. Ooh. Okay. Let's take it out. It is so heavy. But it's the MacBook Air. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open it. I'm so excited. I know, I show my excitement very weirdly. No. Oh, no, I wanted to like show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. And then just gonna take it out. Look at the picture. Great. Wait, it's the 12, no, it's the 11-inch one, so it's like a pretty tiny. And then let me just show you what it comes with real quick. I think this is the charger. Yeah, it has a weird charge. Okay, so this is the charger. And I don't know what this is, but it's something. Maybe, oh, I think you can connect it to the charger. Yeah, you connect it to the charger and it's like this. I'm so clever. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back and then we're gonna like open the Mac. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny, it's so beautiful. It's like, I love tiny laptops. Okay, how do you open this? Wait. Alright. Oh, this is so beautiful. Gosh, and it's so thin. It's so okay, how do you open this? How do you switch it on? Oh. Ooh, fancy, schmancy. So I think it's gonna load and then it's gonna like ask all those questions that they always ask. It is so nice and it's so tiny. I keep on saying it's so tiny because it's so tiny. Like, okay, this is so beautiful. I cannot wait to show my best friend this. She's gonna be like so happy for me. Yeah, so while it's still loading, I'm just gonna quickly wrap up the video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing MacBook video. MacBook. I don't know why I say it like that. MacBook. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching me unbox my MacBook video. Hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and comment down below on videos you guys would like me to do or like to see me do. And if you guys have any video suggestions that you guys have in mind and would let me know and I'll maybe do them. I don't know what I'm talking about because I'm so freaking excited. Please don't forget to turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, and subscribe. Bye.
You know